So you can see, remember, first thing we always do, pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day, right? So yesterday it was down 1.8%. So we can see where those levels are. So out of the gate right here, we're going to have some strong indicators of north or south, right? Up or down as soon as the market opens. Obviously, if this pulls down below 398.90, right, we're going to short it. Then that will become resistance after it blows through the support. So that is support right now. Where did I get that? You can see all of it pre-market. Right? Every time it touched this 398.90 range, you can see that it bounced back up, did it several times. You can see it was doing it yesterday. 400 is going to be a big range, right? Obviously, because it's the largest whole number. So 400 is a huge number. That is this line right here. That's why I put this right here in the middle, because 400 is going to be a big one. If this breaks 400, we'll start to look at it to the long. If you want a better confirmation, I'd wait till $400.52 to long. But at 400, we could start looking at a long. That's when you start dipping a toe, see what it's going to do. Again, if it pulls below 398.90, that's going to go to the downside.